Hey guys, it's Zarina from Zar's Kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking an Iberico pork collar. It's a really beautiful cut, loads of fat and marbling going on. We're going to slow cook this in the oven for a few hours and it's going to be juicy and tender, just absolutely stunning and perfect for your holiday table. We're going to start with a couple of onions cut and stick those at the bottom of your pan. Loads of vegetables in the bottom of the pan. So we've got onions, we're going to throw them all in. I've got some leeks here, celery, carrots, we've got some sliced apples, whole garlic, literally just chopped in half. Just gonna drizzle some olive oil, sea salt, pepper, a big bottle of apple cider, the stuff you drink, the same amount of stock. I've used a simple chicken stock here. Our veggies are ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna marinate our pork now in our dry rub. Now I've got my pork here. Quite a few dry rub ingredients. We've got salt, pepper, sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, ground fennel, and some onion granules. Okay, we are ready to get this in the oven. I've got the oven on 220 degrees right now. We're gonna cover this up with foil and then we're gonna leave it in the oven, blast it for about 15 minutes. Alarm has gone off. Look at that beauty. All those juices all over the apples, the onions, the celery, carrots, garlic, leeks, all caramelized and so much flavor in there. Here we go. And let's get carving. Are you ready for it?